Welcome to ExperCharts4FX training videos, autopilot example. What I'm just going to quickly show you here is an example of how you use autopilot. Autopilot is one of the buttons that you can press in the bottom left hand corner, and is represented by a little box with a number of different colors in it. What you can see here, what autopilot will display at each and every time you turn it on, is the date, the time, the buy entry price, the buy exit price. So say for example you're looking at 5:45, there was a buy entry and at 132.25, so it's obviously looking at the euro here, and the buy exit price of 132.579. So you can see here there's a profit of about 3.5 pips. You've got the sell entry and sell exit. What you can see here is the current trade that's actually been taken by autopilot. You'll notice here that at the time that the exit for the buy was indicated at 6:05, you can see that autopilot actually reversed the market and actually went opened a short position at 132.547. And what you're actually looking at there is the sell pip. So the reason why it's green is because that's actually still an open position. We haven't closed that sell yet, and when we would close that sell, we'd open an opposing buy position. What you can see there is also the daily pips so far in the first 6 hours of the trading day is about 58 pips up. In this example here, you can see all trades so far have been winning trades. That's not always the case, and you have to take into consideration both visual and numerical indicators when using ExperCharts. However, in this case here, all examples have been on the positive side. You can see here in the past month there's been about 4,500 pips made, and about 100 pips less net filled. We don't make every single position that you will get. At times there'll be the autopilot trade signals won't be hit and won't be filled, so that's why there's a little bit of a gap between the total pips and net filled. And the last column there is the pivot group. We've got a pivot point calculator and a pivot point forecaster built into the program, and you can actually use both of those when you're actually looking at this pivot point group. Hope this makes some sense, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and please play around with autopilot and the signal generator.